Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove header from a particular page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove header from particular page. Go to the particular page and go to layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu and choose next page. Then double click on the header text, then click link to previous. Then remove the header from top size. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we remove header from particular page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.